Hey my babies, welcome back to another Curlbox unboxing video, and today I'll be unboxing my Curlbox that I received this month, November 2019 Curlbox. As we all know, every single month we will have a pamphlet inside of our Curlbox letting us know what we can expect to see inside of our box. And it looks like this month we have products from Design Essentials Almond and Avocado collection. So this box is said to be the High Shine box. It contains pure nut oils and butters and a healthy dose of avocado to relieve dryness and intensify the luster of your hair. Keep reading and open your box to learn how you can boost your sparkle, okay? Now let's get ready to see what's inside. First up, we have the Honey Curl Forming Custard. Nothing adds intense shine to natural hair like honey, baby. So this custard is a gel-like styler that fights shrinkage and dries with a layer of gloss that coats your curls. This product is also stated that it highly defines, shapes, and elongates your curls and coils with an excellent medium to firm hold. It has brilliant shine and no flaky residue. Great for wash and go styles, finger coils, two-strand twist outs, and bantu knots. Next we have the Honey and Shea Edge Tamer. This is an edge control that uses castor oil to leave your hair with a light sheen. This Honey and Shea Edge Tamer delivers a long-lasting firm hold and securely lays down the hairline and tames unruly flyaways. Next up we have the Almond and Avocado Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. This is a lightweight moisturizing conditioner that softens your mane while smoothing the hair cuticles and instantly replenishes moisture, resulting in a beautiful luminous shine. Okay, next up we have the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Moisturizing and Detangling Conditioner. This product contains almond, avocado, and shea butter to nourish and replenish any moisture that your curls may be lacking to reduce the appearance of dryness, frizz, and breakage. Finally, we have the Natural Almond and Avocado Moisturizing and Detangling Sulfate-Free Shampoo. Okay, so it's being said that this shampoo is supposed to hydrate, soften, and detangle your hair. It's also a gentle cleansing solution to get rid of hair buildup without stripping your hair of its natural oils. Which I hope is true because I hate a super drying shampoo on my hair. Well, my babies, as you can see, we are at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in again to watch my videos. As you all know, every single month, every time I get my curl box, I will be showing you the products that I have inside. And just keep watching, baby, because you never know. One of these curl boxes might be in a giveaway. So if you like these products, comment down below and let me know. So if you hit that subscribe button on the way in, thank you, my baby. But if not, make sure you hit that subscribe button on the way out. And also turn on that notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Until next time, my loves, stay tuned.